Roland DGA sells and markets the wide format inkjet printers and engraving, milling machines.
Over the past several years, we've grown between 15 and 20% year over year. Without Dynamics GP, we would have not been able to handle that growth. And actually, because of Dynamics GP, we've been able to stay ahead of that growth.
Microsoft's a great partner for us in a variety of ways. One of the ways is just that the technology, it's very common across all of the different types of applications. The investment that Microsoft continually makes means that we are always state-of-the-art and all the products stay synchronized together.
The user interface is much cleaner, it's much easier to use. It has an action pane where you can have a lot of different tasks all in one place.
Navigation lists in Microsoft Dynamics GP10 will allow my staff to be more productive.
The navigation lists are a very useful feature. It allows us to bunch groups of records together to perform tasks, which is something that we do very often.
One of the things we're looking forward to in the future is workflow automation. We view that as just a key component for us in automating business processes in the future, for reducing cost, and driving efficiency.
Workflow in Microsoft Dynamics GP10 will allow us to stay compliant in our new JSOX initiative. We'll be getting the necessary approvals and keep that in our data so that we can easily pull that for our auditors.
Using Dynamics GP search functionality, we're also able to incorporate Excel spreadsheets and other forms of Microsoft technologies, as well as Dynamics GP, all in the same area, so people can get all of the information that they need in one place.
We will be going paperless in our accounts payable procedures using Microsoft Dynamics GP10. We'll be getting rid of approximately 50 filing cabinets so that we can easily pull information out of Microsoft Dynamics GP10 and have everything readily available rather than manually searching through paper.
We are going to use SQL reporting services so that we can look at trends in our sales data, trends in our collections information, trends in our inventory levels. With SQL reporting services, we're able to present the data in a graphical format, which makes it much more impactful, much more meaningful for the user communities, especially the executive level users who need to see that information immediately.
I'm looking forward to getting everything to SQL reporting services so that we can integrate those reports into Microsoft Dynamics GP and also put those on SharePoint and get all of our outside salespeople to be able to run those on an ad hoc basis.
One of the things that we really like about Dynamics GP10 is that they've switched from an optimistic to a pessimistic security system. That means that users by default have access to nothing and that we can give them access to what they need and only what they need.
With Microsoft Dynamics GP10, we're ready for workflow automation.
We're ready to be global.
We're ready to go paperless.
We're ready to beat the competition.
With Microsoft Dynamics GP 10.0, we're ready to satisfy our customers.